features and specifications. Today, we dive into the 2025 Datsun 120Y, a vehicle that redefines affordability and practicality in the modern automotive landscape. Known for its iconic history and reliability, the Datsun 120Y has been reborn with a fresh look, advanced features, and a focus on performance, making it a great option for those seeking a compact car with character. The 2025 Datsun 120Y comes equipped with a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a respectable balance of power and economy. With a smooth automatic transmission or an optional 5-speed manual, this car offers a versatile driving experience suited for city commutes and longer journeys. Its performance is further enhanced by improved suspension and refined handling, providing a comfortable ride and confident cornering. In terms of design, the Datsun 120Y embraces its retro charm while incorporating contemporary styling. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines give it a modern yet nostalgic appeal. Compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in tight urban spaces, while the well-thought-out design optimizes interior space for passengers and cargo alike. The alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, making the car stand out on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin that prioritizes comfort and convenience. The premium upholstery, intuitive dashboard layout, and soft touch materials elevate the driving experience. The infotainment system is equipped with a large touchscreen interface that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a range of entertainment options. Climate control, ample storage spaces, and adjustable seating further enhance the interior's practicality and comfort. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Datsun 120Y, which comes with a host of advanced features designed to protect occupants. Standard safety systems include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims offer additional technologies like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Fuel efficiency is one of the standout attributes of this car, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious drivers. With its lightweight construction and efficient powertrain, the Datsun 120Y offers impressive mileage, reducing running costs without compromising on performance. This focus on efficiency aligns with Datsun's commitment to sustainability, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. The 2025 Datsun 120Y strikes a balance between affordability and quality, delivering great value for money. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a reliable secondary vehicle, this car ticks all the right boxes. Its combination of modern features, timeless design, and dependable performance ensures it remains a strong contender in its segment. Thank you for watching today's video on Auto Avenue. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more automotive content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.